You want to be on top?
I am the coolest thing on the planet.
I'm gonna have to raise him higher when I get to you. Taller and show that was what was off.
Yeah, we're canceling. We need to redo this.
Do not attempt this at home.
And 3, 2, 1.
Now, come on.
Starry Nights Science presents Episode 1 Modeling Chemical Equations. Welcome to the Modeling Equations Spring Fashion Show. Our highlights this evening will be a traditional favorite, Rust by the Elements Collection. We will start our modeling equations with the reactants. We will begin with a coefficient. You will remember that coefficients are numbers in front of chemical symbols or formulas that show how many atoms or molecules of the substance are involved in chemical reaction. Represent coefficient 4. You will notice the traditional profile with white value signs. Now we expect 4 atoms or molecules of the same substance. Here comes our next model. We see a model of an iron atom. Iron's chemical symbol is Fe, which doesn't seem to fit its name. However, Fe originates from the Latin word ferrum. Iron has been known since ancient times. Presented, we see our 4 iron atoms. In traditional gray, with the element symbol and atomic number as a sign, very similar to a sport jersey, our 4 iron men are holding bar weights to symbolize pumping iron, a play on words. Next, we have the first symbol in our chemical equation modeling. The plus sign indicating the iron will be added to some other substance for our reaction to occur. Our symbol is dressed in black to accent the symbol for addition itself. Another coefficient, this time the number 3. What new substance will be added to our 4 atoms of iron in this reaction? Wow, we are about to have 3 O2 molecules. Here we have the first of our diatomic oxygen molecules. That means 2 atoms of oxygen are covalently bonded together and form a molecule. Red is used to symbolize the element oxygen in this model. We can see this bond symbolized by the 2 red ribbons connecting each set of 2 models, with the 2 red bows symbolizing the shared electrons. There is a subscript card as well. Subscripts are small numbers below and following an element symbol to show how many of that atom are in a molecule. Our next model is a symbol, the yelled arrow. Another exciting addition to this chemical equation model. The arrow symbol is read as yields and means the end of our reactants. Yields can be thought of as makes, produces, or equals as well. We see the construction theme with the yellow caution and yellow hard hat because we know our reactants are now constructing new substances by breaking any original bonds and forming new ones. This brings us to our product. We see a new coefficient of 2. Just like our earlier coefficients of 4 and 3, this indicates 2 of whatever atoms or molecules follow. Here comes our product. We now have our result of the combination of iron and oxygen, 2 molecules of rust. The chemical name for this iron oxide. Each molecule of rust contains 2 iron atoms and 3 oxygen atoms. Since we have 2 molecules, all of the iron and all of the oxygen atoms from our reactants are here in our products. This shows the law of conservation of matter. Well done, models. Disclaimer. The atoms represented here in the reactants and products of this chemical equation model are being played by actors and are not the actual reactants and products of this chemical reaction. This is a simplified version of a specific chemical reaction for entertainment purposes only. These are trained science students. Do not attempt this at home. For more information, please take a science class.
There's hydrogen and helium, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen all through the air with oxygen so you can breathe, and fluorine for your pretty teeth, neon to light up the signs, sodium for salty times,
magnesium,
aluminium, silicon,
phosphorus,
then sulfur, chlorine, and argon,
potassium,
and calcium so you'll grow strong,
scandium,
titanium, vanadium, and chromium, and manganese. This is the periodic table, noble gases stable, halogens and alkali react aggressively. Each period will see new outer shells while electrons are added, moving to the right. Iron is the 26th, then cobalt, nickel coins you get, copper, zinc, and gallium, germanium, and arsenic, selenium, and bromine, film, while krypton helps light up your room.
For more information, please take a science class.
Yay! Potassium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium,
silverware,
then cadmium and indium,
tin cans,
antimony, then tellurium, and iodine, and xenon, and then cesium, and